told y'all, we going away for Valentine's Day weekend. I just had the most stressful time getting to the airport. I'll tell y'all about it when we make it to our destination. Literally sweating, lace coming up, stressed out. I just was able to run and get us some food. Now we're sitting here waiting to board our flights. At least we made it. That's all that matters. We just made it to Chicago. The time is currently 9:34 here, so that means it's 7:34 back home. We need to check into our hotel. There's an outlet right there, so I'm trying to let my phone charge just a little bit before we go to the hotel. Today is just really a travel day, and probably go out and get some food, just something quick. I hope the lighting is okay on this. I'm gonna try to fix it. I just went and got 2 new piercings. I got this one and I got that one, so it's very sore right now. It hurts. We just made it into our room. Super cute. Love it. I'm about to go out and try to get something to eat, something to drink. It's actually really hot in here. I just turned on the air and everybody tried to act like it was going to be so cold. It's actually not even that cold. We're about to head out and go to the store. I need to fix my hair. We just went to CVS and got some drinks and some snacks. It's like 11 o'clock at night. We're about to go to Portillo's. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like a famous food spot in Chicago. Famous for like their hot dogs and stuff. It's an 18-minute walk. Have on my jacket. Got my crossbody bag, and I just ran in the room and got my gloves. So we are about to walk. I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Here's my dog. It has onions, relish, mustard, ketchup, banana peppers, and I have some fries that are kind of salty. No. Good morning from Chicago. It's about 9:30 I think right now, and we're finally getting some daylight because you guys know we got in last night. Let me show you the view because you're not gonna believe it. If you're familiar with Chicago, this is Magnificent Mile, Michigan Ave, but it's also called Magnificent Mile. This right here is Millennium Park with the famous bean. Hopefully you guys are seeing this because it looks a little off on camera, but I'm gonna try to play it back and make sure. This is so freaking beautiful. And I gotta hurry up and get dressed because we actually had reservations, but oh my God, this fell off my bag. I don't think we're gonna make it to those reservations because they're in like 45 minutes. So let me hurry up and get dressed. Let me show y'all my little bathroom setup because it's real cute. My little bathroom setup. This is a new flat iron that was sent to me, and my jewelry and my makeup. And then I'm about to film for TikTok. Have this light. Yeah, so I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Here's my outfit of the day, you guys. Make sure you check my shorts videos. There's that. You ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get right. It will roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth now. All up in yo. This nigga got. On our way to the restaurant. I'm so hungry. It is so cold. I think I already know what I want. I know what he's gonna get because I know him that well. I can't wait. I'm excited because I've had this before, so I know it's good. We're standing at the boat tour, and our boat leaves in 30 minutes, so we're waiting for our boat to leave. Yeah, it's a lot of people, but we already have our tickets. I bought our tickets like a month ago, so we're ready to go. I'm excited about this. I've always wanted to do it, but my energy is kind of down because I'm tired. even know where I ended the vlog off yesterday, but today is Sunday, February 15th. I'm getting dressed so we can go. We got a lot of stuff on the list today, a lot of stuff to do today. I just ordered me a matcha. Thanks, boo-boo.
Sweet.
It was? It was worse than the cookies? Here's my matcha. I haven't had a matcha, so here's my matcha. Yeah, I paid too much for this. $26. Anyways, let me hurry and get dressed.
Boy, you should know that I've got you on my mind. The secret admirer. I've been watching you.
Oh my God, this been on? Let me show y'all my outfit real quick because he ready to go. Here's my outfit. The jacket is Zara, top is H&M. I don't know what the jeans are. Shoes are Target, scarf is Amazon.
That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. Yeah, only want you love even silently. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. Ain't taking a smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. I'm wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. And it's long all day.
Yes, I do. I'm so hungry. I'm irritated. We haven't ate today. It's 2 p.m. So irritated. Once I get hungry, I get irritated. But I'm happy now. Look at how pretty this is. So we're waiting for our food, and I'll show it to you guys when it comes. Why is this bread so big?
Taste that sea salt we put on there?
Yeah, something else. How do you drink a milkshake with a burger? It's like too much. I got me some Magnolia Bakery. And he bought it for me.
I think she's still
like a brownie something. Fire. And brownie. I just changed my clothes into something more comfortable for me to walk. Now we're about to go walk down Michigan Ave. Let me go in here. Okay, this lighting is better, but I just changed my clothes into something more comfortable. Now we're about to go walk down Michigan Ave. Maybe look in some stores. It's a little bit chilly outside. On my North Face. Zipping it up so I can be cozy. Black crossbody bag. And yeah, I'll be back. How did it get way over there? We're going to the Starbucks Reserved. I've been a million times, but I just like to go. Sorry, somebody gave me this rose, but I just like to go when I'm here because it's just always nice to go. That's where we're going. I came in here to get my son some popcorn from Garrett's. I'm so tired, exhausted. It is officially checkout day and we are headed to the airport. We had a great time. Chicago showed us a good time as usual. I love Chicago. We made it through TSA and it's literally so much food at Chicago's airport. I'm gonna get a burrito from this place called Burrito Beat. Jamil's gonna get McDonald's. So I'm gonna show you. Got my burrito. It's too many people in here to be filming, y'all. I'm embarrassed. I'm very picky when it comes to my burritos, so let's see what it's giving. It's actually really good.
Regular.
I made it on the plane. He's not here yet. He's in a different group than me. Look at this bag, y'all. It's full. I just took out all my stuff that I'm gonna need on the plane. And then I'm about to put the bag down. I'll see you guys when I get home.